Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a seamless Instagram carousel with Canva. All right, let's begin. First, open Canva and select an Instagram post size. You can choose portrait or square. Both use the same width, so multiply 1080 by the number of slides you want. For example, 4 slides gives a width of 4,320 pixels. Next, create a custom design using that total width. This gives you one long canvas for the entire carousel. To organize your layout, go to File, Open Settings, and Enable Guides. Add columns equal to your slide count and set spacing to 0. This helps align elements and create seamless transitions across slides. Design your carousel across the columns, slightly overlapping visuals between sections for a smooth swipe effect. When finished, open the app section and search for Split. Now, use the Split Image app in Canva. Export your design as PNG at maximum quality. Then split it into equal columns. Finally, place each image onto separate Instagram-sized pages, adjust to fit, and download all slides. So that's basically how you can create a seamless Instagram carousel with Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.